Hello, and welcome to Crocheting with the Classics. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a magic circle and how to fake a magic circle. So, first off, for the magic circle, we're going to take the tail end of our yarn, pin it down with our thumb, like this. Then, we're going to wrap around our fingers and cross it over, like so. And we're going to pin down on the cross. See? Now on the other side of the yarn, where we've got these two lines, we're going to pin those down with our pinky. Okay? Now, insert our hook under, and we're going to pull this part underneath, and then we're going to turn until we've got a loop. Now we're going to insert under here and yarn over, and then we're going to pull through this loop. Now you notice the loop's kind of tightening on me. That's okay. Now we've got a magic circle. And you notice here the tail end of our yarn is through the circle. So we're going to unwind that. I'm just going to take that out of the center of the circle. Come here. It's being fun to grab. Those little pops you hear in the background are Fanny chewing on a chewy stick. She's a very happy puppy right now. But now we've got a magic circle. And we can pull on the tail to tighten it, or we can pull on the circle to loosen it, whatever we need. So, this is the basic magic circle number one. But because this is a classics crocheting channel, we should note Victorians didn't do it this way. So, the Victorians and the Edwardians actually faked magic circles. So, yes, Daisy, woof, woof, woof. How they did that is two different methods. So, let's say you just need a little ring. If that was all you needed, then you would just tie a little knot like this, like you were starting a chain, because you basically are. And for a small ring where you're just going to put like 6 single crochet or something, you might do a chain one, and then you'd put your crochets directly in the ring. And go around, so on and so forth. So that's method one for faking it. And if you're doing this, and you put like 9 in this ring, it's going to tighten up to about the same as you would get with a magic circle anyway. But let's say you needed a bigger ring. So what they would do is take this, and they would go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain. They would insert in the very base one and slip stitch, and that would make them a ring. And then they would crochet. Let's say we have to do 12 double crochet, so they would chain 2 and directly into the center of the ring, and they would double crochet around like so. And once again, if you're doing a bunch of these and getting it really tight, like for instance, I've seen Victorian patterns where 24 double crochets go into something like this. By the end of that, this little hole is basically full. So it's still as tight as you would get with a magic ring. All right, so I hope that was helpful, and have a lovely day. Goodbye.